What was the color of your last menstruation? Or do you think you need to see the doctor? Come close.
Welcome to Florence Wellness Way.
In this video, I'll be taking you through 5 shades of different menstruation. I mean, the colors in which menstruation exists. Some you might be familiar with and some you might not be familiar with. Let's get started. The first one, which is the bright red. This is a very normal color or shade of the menstruation. In fact, it signifies good menstrual health. Now, it is usually seen for some people during the onset of their menstrual cycle. I mean, the first day or even the second day. Some even see it throughout their menstrual cycle, that is, throughout their menstruation period. Although this color is not actually particular to everybody, but it doesn't still mean it is still very normal. If you're visiting my page for the very first time, or probably you saw my videos through YouTube's algorithm, please ensure to subscribe to keep me encouraged to post more useful videos like this. And if you've already subscribed, I am super grateful. Thank you, everyone. Now to the second shade, which is the dark red. The dark red too is a very normal shade of the menstrual color. It is very normal. Now, it also happens too at the onset or throughout the menstrual cycle. There is no need to panic. The only reason that the shades are different is because sometimes old blood that's supposed to come out during the first or the second day of the menstrual cycle did not come out. Therefore, it becomes darkened when it comes out. But no need to panic. It is still a very, very good color, a very good shade of the menstrual color. It is still very hygienic. Now to the third shade, which is the pink shade. The pink shade is an abnormal color. However, there are certain factors that constitute its abnormality. For example, when the level of estrogen is low in body of females, it oftentimes affects the menstrual color, which often results into the pink color. Now, the estrogen functions as the female sex hormone. It also leads towards hormonal imbalances. It is secreted in the ovaries, so once the estrogen of the female body is low, it leads to hormonal imbalances and then often affects the menstruation. Also, another factor is the perimenopause. The perimenopause are women that are propelling towards their menopause age. Women propelling towards their menopause age also sometimes experience this shade of menstruation, that is the pink shade. Gradually, their menstruation tends to fade away in color. But as for teenagers between 12 to 45, as the case may be, once you experience this pink shade of menopause, of menstruation, please see the doctor immediately. Medical and urgent professional care is advisable. Now to the fourth menstrual color, which is the black color. This color is totally abnormal. In fact, it signifies that something is wrong with your menstrual health. So you need to see the doctor as urgent as it should be. In fact, urgently. Now, there are certain factors that have caused this menstrual color to be black. Some are blockage from the vagina or from the cervix. Also, sometimes it's tissue retained from childbirth, miscarriages, those blood that didn't come out during the childbirth and all of that got stuck. Then probably when the woman is menstruating, then it comes out, become black. Please see your doctor whenever you notice this kind of blood color. Now the fifth color, which is the brown color or the brown shade. Now this color can be normal and also it can be abnormal. Now it is normal if you see the brown color towards the end of your menstrual cycle. That is when you're about to finish menstruating. That is when you now see that shade of brown color. It is normal. It means that your blood flow has reduced. Your menstrual cycle is coming to an end. That is normal. But it is abnormal if you see it from the day you started menstruating till the end of your menstrual cycle. No. It could be as a result of infection. Sometimes it could even mean STIs that are very harmful to the body. Please see your doctor immediately. However, in all these shades of blood, especially the bright red and the dark red, if you notice any foul smell or any funny smell in your menstruation, in your color or whatever, please ensure to see the doctor
as soon as possible.
If you're visiting my page for the very first time, or probably you saw my videos through YouTube's algorithm, please ensure to subscribe to keep me encouraged to post more useful videos like this. And if you've already subscribed, I am super grateful. Thank you everyone. See you in my next video. Bye.